Hello guys, this is our first mock test for General English for many competitive exams such as CDS, SSC, NDA. So pause the video and try to do these questions. Neither of them is good. Neither takes singular if of तो verb singular है तो it is no error. Due to me being late, me being a comer, I unable to get a good house. तो हमें पता है वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी से पहले अगर नाउन और प्रोनाउन है तो पॉजेसिव होता है, तो यहाँ पे मी नहीं माई होगा. The circulation of the statesman is a newspaper is greater than that of any newspaper. So it is a error from adjective, so any other newspaper, because we are not taking statesman, so any other. In the garden were the more beautiful flowers and the silver bells. So more, the plus more is incorrect form. The plus most, it is superlative degree. The poet describes about the spring season. No, the describes doesn't take about, because describe mean to talking about something, so about doesn't come. So here is improvement. On one occasion he persuaded me to accompany him on the shooting expedition he was planning. He was planning, whenever you see it is past tense to action. So the first action should be in past perfect and second action should be in simple past. और तो was planning तो had planned होगा यहाँ पे, because first action, because he is planned so that he was persuaded. We have no less than 1,000 of students in our college. No less than नहीं होगा क्योंकि less than uncountable दिखाता है और यहाँ पे 1,000 of students है, 1,000 of student है, इस वजह से no error, no fever. When she regained consciousness, she was stretched in the ditch out, shocked to the skin. तो stretched in a ditch out is incorrect usage. The correct usage is outstretched in a ditch. Too little is known by this time about the possible side effects of the drug. By this time shows the time instant, लेकिन presently shows the time if you totally present. Presently is the correct usage. If you want to save money, you must get rid of shopping. Get rid of shopping is incorrect usage, so correct usage is cut down on. Whenever you cut down on shopping, it means you reduce your shopping expense. तो सेंटेंस अरेंजमेंट में हमें या तो नाउन प्रोनाउन पकड़े या तो इंट्रोडक्टरी सेंटेंस पकड़े पहला सेंटेंस, या तो पेयर में बनाए. तो these are the few steps to do arrangement of sentences. Fighting a fire demands a lot of strength and endurance. The breathing unit may weigh as much as 25 kilograms. The protective clothing the firefighter wears will weigh about 10 kilograms. The firefighter will normally wear an oxygen mask and carry oxygen tank. Apart from these, he will have carry a horse and the other tools. The weight of the horse and the other tool the firefighter carries will around 50 kilograms. So here you see weight of the horse and the other tool. और इससे पहले वाले सेंटेंस में यहाँ दिया था हॉर्स एंड अदर टूल्स, तो इट मीन्स दैट इसकी इंफॉर्मेशन इसमें दी हुई है. इसका मतलब हुआ कि ये वाला सेंटेंसेस इसके साथ रहेगा ही रहेगा. तो अगर एस लास्ट है तो हमारे पास बस एक ऑप्शन है जिसमें एस लास्ट में. तो दिस इज हाउ यू डू sentence arrangement, because these are very important for scores. We were taking tea at the Ratna tea stall. We found tourist bus which had just remained into the tumbling tree on the roadside. We just rushed out of the tea stall. We helped the passengers to get out of the bus. Suddenly we heard the loud noise followed by a crazy cry for help. We informed the hospital and also the police about the accident. तो यहाँ पे दिखा है कि रत्ना टी स्टॉल में थे. अब रत्ना टी स्टॉल में थे तो उसके बाद इनने सडनली कोई आवाज सुनी और फिर आवाज सुनने के बाद टी स्टॉल से भागे. अगर मैं करता कि टी स्टॉल पहले कर देता वी रश और फिर इसको बाद में करता, लेकिन पहले उनने आवाज सुनी ना सडन, उसके बाद तो मतलब एस क्यू का पेयर बन गया. अगर हम एस भी पकड़ लेते कि एस पहला है तो हमारे पास एक ही ऑप्शन बचता ये, और एस क्यू का भी पेयर बनाते तब भी. तो दीज आर द फ्यू क्वेश्चंस ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर to show you this is how the paper comes. So thanks for watching.